folks. Anybody else have that problem where you buy a new tool for your channel? You got a tool review and you got to wait 3 days, 4 days to open it because you don't want to ruin the what is it called? The reveal. Well, I've been waiting to open this tool for since I picked it up on Tuesday or Wednesday. It's now I don't know, Friday morning. It's late Thursday night, Friday morning. So anyway, you can see it on the side here. I picked up this thing. Ugh. GEARWRENCH. It's this. What is it? It's a 4-piece large ratcheting tap and die tool set. 4 pieces. 4 pieces. I wonder how big this is. So anyway, it's made by GEARWRENCH. Why did I buy it? Look cool. So actually, I plan on doing a few. Last time I was doing tapping some holes, it was like, And then I seen this cool, I was seeing so much. Somebody was using well, wait, let me see. It's GEARWRENCH 4-piece large ratcheting tap and drive tool set. Number 8206. Just on here like so you all could see it. Comes with large ratcheting T-wrench, large hex die adapter, a 4mm hex key, and large locking tap adapter. So that's what it comes with. If you can see that. Leave there for a couple seconds. You hit pause and look at it. Comes with a, what is it? Blow molded case that blows. Anyway, 4 pieces. I'm a little, case looks nice. Let me lower the camera here. I'm a little bit baffled by the size of this case. So yeah, apparently I bought a monster tap. I could have swore it looked smaller. So this, holy shit. This goes in here. And then you can apparently go like this. Nope, well, I guess if you tighten this up first. Yeah, you can. I wanted a small one, not a giant one, but anyway, this is pretty cool. This just pops in there like so. How the hell you get it out is beyond me. How does this come out? Release. Oh, you turn it. Oh, I get it. It's got a little lock in there. This is pretty damn cool, though. And this is for this thing. What the hell is this for? I don't know. Patent pending. This goes in like so. And what the hell does this do? I don't know what the hell this does. Well, anyway, see? It's pretty damn cool. It's got some nice wings on it. It's chrome. Does both ways. This one pops up. And this one locks in like so. When you turn it, it pops out. Turn that. So it locks in. So I guess when you go like this, drop it and you give it a turn, it pops down. And this little turny thing locks it in. It's pretty beefy. The 4mm is pretty cool. I didn't think it would have such a blow molded case, but take this off, see how it looks. This is the part where I break it. Oh, there you go. Nice anodized. I'm supposed to do that? Okay. I lose a spring now. Okay. I bet you there was a spring in here. I bet there was. Bet your ass I lost it. Where'd it go? Well, anyway, I just screwed that one up. Looks like it was a spring, maybe. Weird. We'll put it back in there and see if there's a spring after. So anyway, this thing is no longer functioning properly because I just lost the goddamn spring. So anyway, that goes in there like that. And if I didn't lose the springs, I would show you what it's at. So, gear wrench. Even though this is absolutely amazing, I wanted a tiny one. I know they made a tiny one. Now it's just driving me nuts. Let me put this on pause here. Well, folks, I looked for the springs in here because there has to be a spring in here. And I don't know. Wherever they went, they're not here anymore. They went pooching. And I'm guessing they are so small and so springy, they went boing. So sorry I ruined the perfectly good, I'll call the company that so I can get a new spring. And, well, I'm pretty sure it'll still work, see, because it will still close up on it. But, yeah, could be a problem. Very nice. Excellent. It's a helicopter blade. Locks on. You can... I have a feeling I'm gonna make good use of this thing, even though I would like a smaller one. So yeah, very cool. Would I recommend it to everybody? Yeah, I recommend not taking the spring out of here, but opening it up. Wherever those springs went, they went a-flying, man, because I don't know where the hell they went. So yeah, is this where it goes? In there, doesn't even hold. I'm guessing there's parts for taps in there. So anyway, that's it for gear wrench. Seeing as I lost the complete thing, I don't know if this was part of it or what. Is that part? I don't think so. Oh well. Anyway, that comes in a nice blow molded case that's full of 4 things for this giant thing. They could have made it this skinny somehow. That's my only concern. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, click some buttons, and if you already subscribed, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for leaving a comment. Thanks for coming back. Toodles. Oops.